Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're upgrading the downpipe. The main factory downpipe is going to be 1.25 inches in diameter, and the upgraded one that we have now is 2.4 inches. On the left side of the motor, you can see it kind of tucked away. It's shiny, a little bit of a copperish color, and it disappears because it goes down into the exhaust. You can kind of see it a little bit back there. And what we're also going to do in a later video is we're going to upgrade the charge pipe.